Andrew here from Home Automation Experience Centre. I'm a qualified electrician and have been for the last 18 years. Our home automation has changed over the past years from wired solutions to wireless. It's now 1/5 of the price, and it does more than what the wired solutions did in the past. The add-ons that you can do with the wireless solutions are quite amazing. With the wireless solutions, we don't need to run wires. We can go into your existing property or your new property, take off the switches, put little pucks behind them, and they basically talk to each other back to the main gateway. And these solutions you can have on your smart devices, your iPhones, Android phones and tablets as well, and you can control it from your computer. You can set up scenes, and it integrates with all other brands of automation as well. So you can connect up your air conditioning, smart locks, blinds, lighting, power points, lamps, appliances, and so on. It's just endless. So get in contact with us today. What we're good at is putting all different things together to make it all work in the one package.